Hello students and friends. Welcome to Homeopathy Medicines. Today in this Homeopathic Materia Medica lesson, I will discuss about homeopathic medicine Cinnabaris. Before starting this video, please subscribe to this channel for Learn Homeopathy Online Free and Homeopathy Materia Medica. We need support from you to make this channel more beautiful and more informative. Now going to discuss about Cinnabaris, its uses and symptoms. For certain forms of ciliary neuralgia and ulceration upon a syphilitic base, this remedy is most effective. Sleepless during night. Head, congestion to head, face purple red. Eyes, pains from lacrimal duct around eye to temple, from inner canthus across brows to ear. Severe shooting pain in bones of orbit, especially running from inner to outer canthus in the bone. Redness of whole eye. Lids granulated, canthi and lids red. Nose, oppressive sensation, as from heavy spectacles. Pain about root, extending into bones on each side, cowhide. Throat, stringy mucus passed through posterior nares into throat. Dryness of mouth and throat, musterins the mouth. Fiery-looking ulcers in mouth and throat. Male, prepuce swollen, warts on it which bleed easily, testicles enlarged, bows, angry-looking chancres. Syphilites, squamous and vesicular. Female, leucorrhea. Feeling of pressure in vagina. Extremities, pain in forearm from elbow down, including hands. Pain in long bones when barometer lowers, coldness of joints. Skin, very fiery red-looking ulcers. Nodes on shin bones. Bows. Condyloma, easily bleeding. Modalities, worse, lying on right side, feels as if contents of body were being dragged over to that side. The symptoms are worse at night from warmth of the bed, and when perspiring, like mercurius. Worse from both heat and cold. Catarrhal inflammation. Fig warts, thuja. Ulcers. Many complaints from eating. Syphilis in all stages. Suppurating glands, chancres. It is best to study this remedy as a form of mercurius, which has a few cunning phases of its own. It is a deep-acting remedy in psychosis. The patient desires to be alone. Aversion to mental work. Forgets things which he intended to do. Mind crowded with thoughts preventing sleep. The pains in the head are violent, worse after eating, better by heat and pressure. Fullness in the whole head. Constriction. Pain in the cold forehead, which is ameliorated by heat. Tearing in the forehead before the menstrual flow. Pain in the forehead and vertex in the morning, worse lying on the left side and back, ameliorated lying on the right side, and it passes off after rising. Shooting pains in the left side of the head with flow of saliva and copious urine. Headache with nosebleed. Sensitive scalp and skull. Supraorbital neuralgia. Stitching, and dull pains in the eyes. Inflammation of the conjunctiva, worse at night. Red, congested lids. Ptosis. Weak vision. Iritis of syphilitic origin. The symptoms are worse at night. Sharp paroxysmal pains from the warmth of the bed. Roaring in the ears after eating. Itching in the ears. Cold spot on root of nose. Pressure on the bones of the nose. Coryza with dirty yellow mucus drawn from posterior nares. Epistaxis, pains in back and limbs. The symptoms of the teeth are similar to mercurius. Tongue coated white every morning. Taste putrid, metallic and bitter. Sore ulcerated mouth. Salivation, inflammation of mouth and throat with great thirst, worse at night. Dry mouth, and viscid mucus in the throat. Fullness in the throat, with constant desire to swallow. Dryness of the throat. Aversion to food. Eructations, and vomiting. Tenderness of the stomach. Syphilitic bows. Dysentery, worse every night, bloody mucus stools, much straining. Diarrhea, with greenish stools, worse at night. Protrusion of anus during stool. Copious urine. Pain as from an ulcer in urethra when urinating, it wakes him also at night. Albumin in the urine. Inflammation of glands penis with profuse secretion of pus. Increased sexual desire. Swelling of prepuce with much itching. Warts on the prepuce and frenum, bleeding when touched. Chancres on the prepuce of gangrenous odor. Inflamed and swollen chancres, hard, discharging pus. Indurated, or neglected chancres. Gonorrhea, of yellowish-green discharge, much pain during flow of urine. Symptoms worse at night, and from the warmth of the bed. The patient is sensitive to both a warm room, and to cold air. Induration of testes. Syphilitic laryngeal ulcers in a tubercular patient. Hoarseness in the evening. Pulse fast in the evening and night. Stiff neck with pains shooting to occiput. Stitching pains each side of spine and dorsal and lumbar regions, worse on deep breathing. Pain in the limbs at night. Sensitive to sudden changes in the weather. Lame, bruised and stiff in all the limbs. Pains worse from motion. Syphilitic nodes on tibia. Pain in tendo Achilles and os calcis after walking. Numbness in the feet. Cold feet, day and night. Wandering gout. Burning itching of the skin, worse scratching. Itching all over. Redness, and red spots on the skin. Pustules. Gangrenous ulcers. Elevated ulcers. It is antidoted by heparin and nitric acid. It is closely related to thuja. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more videos like Cinnabaris, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. To learn homeopathy course online free with Homeopathy Materia Medica. Comment us your feedback and what you want in the next video. Like and share this video with your friends and family. For paid and free consultancy online, visit homeopathymedicines.com and mashclinic.com. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay healthy, stay happy.